What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. That's right. I just got home from a long day. Axel, my son, is at gymnastics. My wife took him there. So we're just going to jump into the kitchen because I'm going to try to have this meal prepared by the time they get home. So we're going to jump into it. We're making a chicken rice ranch casserole thing. Have it sprayed down. Go ahead and preheat your oven. I preheated mine to 400. I'm going to take my rice. This isn't traditional rice. The rice I'm using today is a rice pasta blend. That's what it looks like. You want to pour this one into? Good job. So I'm just going to layer my pan, the bottom of it, with that. Get it spread out evenly to where your pan is coated, encased. So I got my Fiesta blend right here. I'm just going to take and coat over that rice. And I know you're like, Dad, hold up. Where's your apron? I literally just got home and jumped into the kitchen because I want to get this done. They're hanging up over there. I just haven't had a chance to grab it. I'll grab it in a minute. So I do have a bag of frozen vegetables. I want frozen vegetables too because I think they're going to go good. They're my favorite. They're your favorite? Yeah. So I'm going to grab it. To me, what kind of casserole or chicken and rice would be complete without it? This might be chicken pot pie. I don't know. I'm calling it a chicken casserole. That's what I'm going with. Chicken and rice, casserole, whatever you want to call it. You can call that. So we are using chicken thighs. And with my chicken thighs, I'm just going to throw them up there. The oven's ready, y'all. We running behind. I grabbed what I had in my deep freezer. I'm going to cut that piece off because it looks nasty. And what I'm doing is I'm filling around the chicken because sometimes they don't cut it the best. So we want to make sure it's been cut good. And I know there's somebody out there right now, their head is exploding because I'm touching this chicken. It'd be just fine, y'all. I'm going with chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs. I'm not gonna lie, I do love a good chicken thigh. You love it too? So here I have a can of condensed chicken soup. Boop. And guess what, y'all? I got 2 cans of condensed chicken soup. Or cream of chicken, my bad. Cream of chicken. Got it? Oh. Whoop. All right. Now, seasoning. Season your chicken or your dish. Salt. Salt. You already know, y'all, what Aspen's cooking with his pepper. Parmesan ranch. Okay? Don't be stingy. I was saying don't be stingy with the seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder. Ain't no vampires coming tonight, y'all. A little bit of a Italian seasoning. Aspen's gonna pepper it. I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red peppers. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Now, ranch seasoned flavoring packets. Yes, more ranch. I know. Calm down. We're just gonna be putting a little bit. That's enough. Right there. I checked my ingredients. So we need to add 3 cups of water to this. Yep, 3 cups of water to this. All right, back in the oven. All right. Alrighty. I know. Don't kill me. I didn't put the apron on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, chill. Look at this. Look at that. That is looking delicious. So I'm currently waiting on biscuits. So this I cooked 400 degrees for about an hour. It's all the ingredients. They're listed below too. Mom, dad, grandparents, who's ever just getting home, wanting to make a meal. Easy. Look at that. The rice did not burn, y'all. I was worried about that. That looks delicious. Oh. Let's give it a try. Let's find some of this chicken. So that chicken, y'all, you can see it's nice and done. Mm. Mm. That is fantastic. That's delicious, y'all. I wanted some biscuits to go with this, to be honest with you. So when I checked my my fridge, we were out of it. So guess what? I improvised, I overcame, I adapted. I made my own. 3 ingredients. There's a link to my biscuit video if you want to make your own biscuits in the description below. So y'all, we're gonna go eat, get these kids ready, and enjoy our meal. Y'all, this is fantastic. It's simple. It's super easy, and some of the best chicken and rice casserole I've ever made. I'm still trying to get Jerry to give me her chicken and rice recipe she made the other week because it was fire. But it's a contender, y'all. With that, I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Thank you for liking, comment, subscribing. We're hitting way over 550 or 60 some subscribers right now. Thank y'all so much. I can't express my gratitude to y'all. Thank y'all. Make sure you comment below, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.